Hello everybody, today is October the 6th, Sunday. I'm bored, so I decided to make one of my favorite Filipino dish, which is called chicken adobo. You heard that right. I'm gonna be making a Filipino dish called chicken adobo. And this is what it's all about, okay? Let me show you all here. I pre-seasoned the chicken here. So basically what I did, I put like a little bit my own touch here. I don't need to follow exactly how the Filipino people make it. So I put a cumin, basically 1 tablespoon of cumin. I marinated for about an hour. I got 2 tomatoes. I got 8 garlic, half onion. I'd probably say a small size of a ginger. I don't even know how to say it, but it's small size anyway. So 1 lime, 3 potatoes. I don't know, this is maybe 1 tablespoon, maybe, yeah? Tablespoon of brown sugar. So I'm gonna fry this, and then we're gonna eat it with rice. I'm gonna show you the end later on how plate it, but now let's start cooking it. So I'm gonna use olive oil. Let's get it here. I'm gonna use olive oil. Yeah. I keep saying I'm gonna make my favorite Filipino dish. Finally, I get to it. I'm gonna make it. This is one of my favorite, okay? I got another one that, I don't know what's the name of the soup that she makes. Yeah, I know what it is. It's called the sour soup, right? Am I right? The lady behind the camera, she knows, okay? So I told her to cook it, but she said, no, you gotta make it. I don't mind either. The oil is getting pretty hot now. So it's getting, the chicken adobo, I love it. And my kids love it. And I love the potato. Especially potato, I love it. So let's start making it now. So let's get, where is my here, hold on. All right, let's put some garlic. So I did like a little bit, I'm not doing it exactly how that originally has been made, but food is like an art. You can put a little, make it your own touch, you know. I'm gonna put the ginger. I'll probably say the ginger about 2 tablespoons, okay. I eyeball everything, but when I'm cooking, I'm eyeballing everything, so. Okay, let's put the onion in there. I don't even know why the wife, she doesn't want to make it, but she's making me make a Filipino. It's an African man making a chicken adobo with Filipino food. So I hope you guys gonna enjoy it. So I want to wait this one to a little bit, come a little brown. Caramelization is very important. The smell, see that? The onion, the garlic, the ginger, when it gets mixed together, it just smells good. I never seen her cook the chicken adobo. I know what she puts, in it, so I decided to do it my own way. I hope I'm doing it the right way. And if you are Filipino watching it somewhere in this, from another world, and you think I'm doing it right, please let me know. Put the comment below and let me know if I did it wrong or not. And if I did it right, give me a thumbs up. And if I'm doing it wrong, let me know how I did it. But I'm gonna tell you how it tastes later on. I'm gonna put the chicken now. So remember, I said I put the cumin, my way. Okay, I put the cumin just to give it a little, you know, extra flavor. Okay, so I'm gonna put the chicken now. I got about, I'll probably say 8 pieces that I cut in half. Okay, all I did is put cumin for about, I'll say about 2 hours at least. If you want to do it overnight, it's good enough. It's good too as well. The more you marinate after you clean the chicken, if you want to put more marination and put it in the fridge and cook it the following day, it's fine too, because it's not gonna hurt it. All right. So what I want to do is stir this a little bit. This is one of the most popular food in the Philippines, which is the chicken adobo. Beside I think the other one is what, the fish, right? What do you call it? The stinky fish? Synagogue is okay, number 2 okay? All right. But personally, my kids and me, this is one of my favorite dish of the Filipino food. So I decided to share it with my subscribers. I hope you guys gonna love it. And it's very simple, it's not hard. It's like, you know, as I said, it's very simple to make it. So I'm gonna put the brown sugar right now. All right. We're gonna put some vinegar too as well. It's like me, I love smelling the food. You're gonna put the lime. You only need 1 lime. You wanna put more lime, it's up to you. You could. I think the brown sugar and the lime, little sourness together, it just gives it a little extra kick. It balances itself. All right, that lime is done. I'll put the potato in the end. It doesn't take that long to cook the potato. Okay, so now time to put tomatoes. See how delicious it looks. See that? Put the tomato now. I'm gonna get some vinegar and a soy sauce, and that will complete the job. All right, let's get the vinegar here. You can get it. Oh, I got 1/4 of a vinegar that I'm gonna put in right now. It's not hard to make this dish, and as well I'm gonna do some measurement as well here. I hope it's gonna come out, I mean, it's gonna be tasting good. It's my first time that I'm trying to do chicken adobo, and then 1/4 of soy sauce. You could probably put maybe 2. So I'm gonna put the potato, right? So I need some. All right, so that's 2. That's enough. Let's put, I'm gonna eyeball it. I'll put a black pepper. I'll probably say 1/2 teaspoon. It's getting already looking good. I said that's 1/2 table. And I'll say salt, same thing. I eyeball everything I do here. So I'll probably say another 1/2 table of sea salt. You can always add more later on. See that? See, chicken takes about 20 to half an hour to cook. So it's been already about 15 minutes, 10 minutes already getting cooked already. When I add the potato, by the time the potato is ready, the chicken is ready, and we got rice to eat with it. Let me show you the rice. We got boiled rice. All right. I'm gonna thank the one person that I'm thanking here is the lady behind the camera. Thank you so much for helping me out here while I'm cooking. All right. So I'm gonna give it about five minutes, let it steam together, and I'm gonna put the potato, and by the time the potato is ready, the food is ready. I will see you when the rice is ready, and the potato is ready, and the chicken is ready. Now it's been about 10 minutes getting cooked together. See that? The chicken, all the marination, the ginger, the garlic, the onion, the tomatoes, the black pepper, everything is coming together. So I'm gonna put the potato now, because chicken only takes about 20 minutes max to cook. So I'm gonna put the potato now. So I will leave this to simmer together. You know, it's already looking good. Like I said, this is one of the easiest dish that I'm trying as a Filipino food. I cooked the fish last time. The fish is pretty easy. This one is easy too as well. So I'm gonna let it simmer together and get it cooked. And I'm gonna show you the final product later when I'm gonna plate it, which is we're gonna eat it with rice. I hope you guys are gonna try this dish, and if you did, make sure you put your comment below and let me know how easy was it and how the taste came out. And if you have any opinion how I did it, or if I did it wrong or not, let me know. So I'm gonna cover it, let it steam together, and I will see you later when I'm done the video. Yeah. See, it's done. That's chicken adobo. All right, so I'm gonna plate it right now. Okay, let's get the rice. Let me get the plate. All right. It's not that hard. It's very easy. That's the rice. All right. See? It's done. Chicken adobo. I made it my way. So I hope you all gonna enjoy it. And if you do, give me a thumbs up. If you never subscribed before, consider subscribing. Hit the bell button so that way you can get notified when I upload a new video. As usually what I say, yeah!